I'm so excited about the celery here. I was really surprised when I pulled it out of the ground, how nice it was. So this is our setup area where we will clean the celery. It's just easier to do it outside than to do it inside. So, and it's a pretty windy and very hot day. As you see, we got the fan there on Toby back there. So we got them sweat bees. They just keep surrounding us. So that's what that fan is for. Now I have a scrap bucket down below, and I'll give that to the chickens. But like I said, the celery turned out really nice. This is the first year that I had some pretty good celery. And this is what's nice about the water hose here. I can sit there and clean it all off and everything, and the mess stays outside. And Zach down there, he's waiting for anything to fall down on the ground. I keep forgetting that he's under the table. When I start spraying, then he ends up getting wet. But this is I said it's a beautiful day out today. Hot. Okay. Now, so what I'll do, I have two pans here. And the first pan there, the metal pan, after I cut the celery, I put it in there. And once I cut the celery up, then I'll transfer it over into the other pan, and then I'll make sure the other pan is the final pan. It means it's clean, and then later on here you'll see Toby taking the celery out of that pan and cutting it up. Here I am right here. So I'll go through and check the celery and make sure everything's good and clean, and then transfer it over. Here's Toby, he's cutting it up to the size that I need. And I'll be using this, it doesn't have to be perfect, I'll be using this for soups, and so it really doesn't matter. Now if I do it, I'll cut it up. I usually do a lot of them at one time instead of just one, but Toby does a great job here. And then we just put it back in the water. Yeah, and he'll take some right out. This is what I do with the scraps. I put water in the pool, and I'll throw all the scraps in, and then all the chickens and geese will eat the leaves. Yeah, I know that we can, I can probably dry the leaves and use them myself, but I also like to share with the chickens. Then I'll lay a towel out on the table here, and this is where I will try to absorb as much as I can of the liquids. And just spread it out there, and I'll probably get a towel here and kind of dab some of the liquid off here. There we go. Just give it a gentle massage, just enough to get it what we can, and then I'll put these on cookie sheets, the trays here, spread them out, and then put them in the freezer and freeze them up. That way when I get ready to vacuum seal them, or just like what I'm doing there, just kind of loosen it all up. The good thing about this celery, it was not stringy at all. I know the ones I've always bought in the store, you bite into them, they're pretty stringy and tough. This is real tender with a nice crisp to it, and no strings. But I always put, because I'll use these and when I go make my spaghettis and stuff and soups and all of that, and I like to put freeze 2 cups at a time here. I ended up with I had 7 stalks of the celery. Now, to blanch your celery, I have a video on blanching my celery. I believe it's a short I did it on. And I think I did also in one of the videos I did, where I took a box and surrounded put the stalks like inside the box, like a U-Haul box, moving boxes. I have a video that will show that. I'll leave it in the description below. And that way it can still rain, in it, and it covered the stalks. I have my celery here, so I need to cover the stalks and protect them from the sun. Very easy. You get a package box, a large, cut it in half, and then put it down in the ground here. Before. Get all the leaves in it here. It's very simple.